Hello and welcome. The Living World Part 2. In previous video, we have learned characteristics of living things. That is growth, food required for growth, respiration and excretion. We have learned these characteristics in last video, that is part 1. In this video, we are going to learn another characteristics of living things, that is responsiveness to stimuli and movement, then reproduction, lifespan and cellular structure. Let us learn these characteristics of living things. Responsiveness to stimuli. See this video. You can observe how the leaves of the plant mimosa gives response to stimuli. When you place a plant near a window, you observe that plant tends towards light and to the window. This characteristic is called responsiveness to stimuli. Similarly, when we touch to a hot pot, a spontaneous reaction is to pull hand back. Reproduction. See the definition. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called as reproduction. Reproduction is a characteristic of living things. See this picture. You will see a bird and its egg, a mare and his baby, a rose cutting and life cycle of a hen. Reproduction is the characteristic of living things. Next topic is lifespan. In this picture, you can see a goat and a tree. In another image, color of tree has been changed and age of goat is also increased. In third image, goat has produced a small baby goat. After few years, the goat became old and leaves of tree are shedded. In the last image, goat has produced same living thing like itself and tree became green. These are the characteristics of living things. Next topic is a cellular structure. Living things are made of small units called cells. Some living things are made of a single cell. These are called unicellular organisms. The living things that are made of many cells are called multicellular organisms. The amoeba and other microorganisms are unicellular, while man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephants, banyan trees, the onion plant, these are all multicellular organisms. Cellular structure is the main characteristic of living things. In this picture, you will find plants are used for household as well as industrial purpose. For example, methi, that is fenugreek, potato, apple, banana are used as a food, while vasaka, that is in Marathi adulsa, potato, hirida, beheda, asparagus are used as medicine. Animals are also useful for us, like dogs, cats, cows, and buffaloes. These are useful living things. We find some harmful living things. Some animals and plants around us are very harmful to man. For example, a rat, some lizards, spider, scorpion are harmful living things to man. Some plants can harmful to man. For example, datura and colocasia leaves. Due to colocasia leaves, there may be a itching of skin. Some wild animals that hunt other animals for food, these are called as predators. For example, tiger, lion, wolves, leopards. Sometimes due to deforestation, such animals enter in the human settlements in search of food and may kill domestic animals or people. These are the characteristics of living things.